Okay, I'm going to change this fraction to a recurring decimal. So just remembering this means divide. 4 divided by 9. So use my bus stop. How many 9s go into 4? 9 doesn't go into 4. So I start writing my decimals. You can put as many zeros as you want to help you. 9 will go into 40. 9, 18, 27, 36. Doesn't go in exactly. It'll go into 36, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And you'd have 4 left over. 9 will go into 40 4 times. You'll have 4 left over. 9 will go into 40 4 times. 4 left over. And this is going to keep happening. So the 4 is going to recur. So I write that as 0.4 with a dot on top, which means my 4 will continue. Reciprocal, we flip the number over. So if we flip this over, it'd be 7 over 5. Or you could write it as a mixed number. How many 5s go into 7? 1 and 2 left over. Your triangle for distance, speed and time looks like this. Drinking stops first. Hoping you've seen it in science as well. How long did the journey take? So I'm looking for the time it took. So I cover time. And to work it out, I do distance divided by speed. Distance divided by speed. My distance that I've travelled is 175. The speed I was going at is 35. 175 divided by 35 is 5. And it would have been 5 hours because that's the time unit I'm working in. Standard form. I've got to make this number 4 times bigger. And I've got to make this number 3 times bigger. I then have to add these two up, and what you've got to be really careful with is you line up from this side. Adding my two numbers up, and I'm going to change it back to standard form. So changing it back to standard form, I need a number between 1 and 10, so 5.3. If I'm putting my dot there, I would have to move 1, 2, 3, 4 to the end. So times 10 to the power of 4. I'm going to make this number 3 times bigger. I'm going to make this number 4 times bigger. 2 times 3 is 6. And I've got 7 zeros. Writing in a standards form would be 6 times 10. If I'm putting my dot there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the end.